am going to take you guys with us to get some paint samples at Sharon Williams. Say hey. Say hey, girls.
Hi.
Kaylee. Say hi. So we're on our way right now to get some paint samples because we're going to be redoing our bathroom over, like switching it up a little bit, just some decorations. So I'm gonna take you guys with us on this journey. Right now we're driving, heading to Sharon Williams, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Sharon Williams, picking out some pink colors. The reason is we are getting ready to redecorate our master bathroom. We've been in this house going on 4 years. April gonna make 4 years since we purchased this home. And when we purchased it, it was brand new. So we decorated it, but I want to change the color in here. We actually pick up some samples for us to paint in here. I'm gonna take you guys, I'm probably gonna create a series with decorating our master bathroom, and then we're gonna move into different areas of the house. And here's just some of the samples that we got from Sharon Williams. And here are the colors. We have Desert Fawn, we have Sand Beach, Road Town House, and I forgot this other color, but the color on the wall that we originally painted is called Latte, and it's by Sherwin Williams as well. But I want to change the mood, I want to change the vibe. I like that rustic feel, but that rustic look, but still modern. So I just want to tone it down a little bit. So I just finished cleaning the bathroom, and we took out everything out of here, all the decorations, all the towels that was on the racks. We took them out so we could start prepping to repaint the walls. And you can see that my husband actually started taping some parts of the bathroom so we could start painting. And here is where the toilet is, so we have to paint this area over as well. So I'm gonna take you guys on this journey of redecorating our master bathroom. Okay, now let me show you guys how the bathroom looks. We took everything down and cleaned it up so we could start painting. Hey y'all, Black women matter, guys, okay? Black women matter, period. Okay, so here's the tub. You can see the samples that we have here. So we're gonna go ahead and start redecorating. Okay, you guys are ready for this journey? Cause I am.